Hey, what's going on, everybody? John here with Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we have a 1995 Ford Bronco. It's a West Coast vehicle. It's in stellar shape for its age. Came in for a two-step paint correction. And we topped that with the DIY 8-year ceramic coating. We also had to wet sand off the painted pinstripe and install a style appropriate stripe in gold to try and match the top as well as the two-tone. This thing turned out absolutely gorgeous. If you have any questions about paint correction or ceramic coatings or window film, and you know what, before I forget, we also replaced the seat covers. The owner bought seat covers and we installed them for him to replace the old worn out factory OEM seat covers. If you have any questions about window film or paint correction or ceramic coatings, please email us at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. You could call or text the office here at 440-666-8684. Once again, my name is John. This is an 8-year ceramic coating applied to all exterior surfaces. Glass, headlights, taillights, trim, chrome, you name it. As you can see, this thing just looks gorgeous. If you like these videos, please hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel. Even though we got winter coming, we're still going to be trying to put out a bunch of content. I appreciate each and every one of you that watch these videos, that have liked and subscribed to our channel. We will see you in the next video.